Do you know what it is that GarageBands and Amazon sellers have in common? Knowing what this is can be the difference between making just a few sales a day as an average Amazon seller or building $1 million physical products business that can change your entire life.
Hi, I'm Jason Katzenbach, CEO of Amazing.com, and what Mike McClary, our company's Chief Product Officer, is talking about changed both my life and his. And it's also changed the lives for thousands of our students who have come to understand this critical concept.
Who here has ever been in or known someone who's tried starting a band when they were younger? I know that I did back in the days of parachute pants and big hair. Now, when these bands are all starting out, think about the kind of music that they first start playing out, whether it be at a wedding, a high school dance, or a late night show at a bar.
Now, if you've been to a wedding and listened to the band when they start playing, you notice that they don't immediately start out with one of their own songs that they've written in hopes that people will like it. Instead, they start out playing the most popular songs around that they know people already love and that will get them up out of their seats and onto the dance floor.
And it's not until the crowds get to know them and they started to build up a following that they then start to introduce their own songs that they're passionate about and that they're hoping will become big hits. Well, the same holds true for sellers on Amazon. You may have a product that you're passionate about and that you think people will love, but unless you're certain that there is a demand for it, your chances of being successful are slim at the best.
Instead, the absolute best way to be successful from the very beginning with your Amazon business is to sell products that you already know there is a huge demand for. And you do this by creating your own brand of physical products that people are already buying like crazy on Amazon. Now, if you find a product that you're also passionate about, well then that's awesome. But our point is that being passionate alone is not enough, at least not enough to be successful right from the start.
The most important thing to look for when choosing your first product is demand. Because if you already have that, then you already have customers that'll be looking to buy a product just like yours instead of trying to convince them that they need your product. That's why one of the most important factors in choosing your first product to sell on Amazon is to look at Amazon's own barometer of demand, the BSR, or Best Sellers Rank.
The BSR is a number assigned by Amazon to every single product, and it ranks them based upon those that sell the most every single day to those that sell the least. Now, to make sure that you don't choose a product that's too competitive, we recommend selling products that have a BSR between 400 and 6,000. That's the sweet spot that we and our students have found that will not only help make sure you can compete from day one when you launch your product, but will also generate a ton of sales to start building your life-changing business.
Now, there are other critical criteria that you also need to look at, such as price, weight, the number of views, and being able to own the brand that you create. And we've created a completely free training program that walks you through all those criteria and every step of the process.
You can check it out at AmazingSellingMachine.com, and you can also check out all of our other training videos right here on our YouTube channel. And if you want to see us create more videos like this where we give you free tips on starting your own business, then just leave the comment AMAZING in the comments below. Take care and we'll see you soon.